All right, I bought this car about a year and a half ago with 14,000 miles on it. It now has like 26,000 miles on it. And it's been clicking that whole time. I don't think it's really changed in that time, but it took me a few weeks to even realize it was clicking because with the windows up, you can't hear it at all. I didn't notice it until I was pulling into the driveway with the windows down and I didn't have my music on and I heard the sound bouncing off my wife's van. And I mean, most of the time when I'm driving it, I don't hear the clicking sound at all, but wondering what it is. Obviously I need to get underneath the car and see if I can kind of pinpoint where it's coming from. It seems to be coming from behind the passenger side front wheel, and it doesn't do it when it's cold. So anyways, here's some clips. Tell me what you guys think. And pretty soon here, I got to get it up on jack stands and start listening around underneath it while it's running and see if I can figure out exactly where it's coming from.